it's time for our next measurement math lesson. We're learning what a centimeter is. So grab your ruler if you have it handy, and I want you to take a look at it. You'll see that it has numbers on it, starting at 0. I'll write it up on the board, all right? So you've got your ruler. I'm going to make it bigger on here than it is on here. So it starts at 0, sort of like a number line, and it has cm beside it. Cm stands for centimeter. A centimeter is a metric unit for measuring length. A metric unit is a system that we use to measure. So it includes centimeters, a meter, and millimeters. All right? And then even bigger, like kilometers. If you think that you're driving really far, you'll be driving a few kilometers. So we're just going to start off with this unit, which is centimeters, on our ruler. So we have centimeters. Between each marking, 1, 2, 3, there's 10 smaller markings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. One of these is 1 centimeter long. 1 centimeter long. So we can measure different items using our ruler and count how many centimeters it is. For example, if I wanted to measure how long my dry erase marker was in centimeters, I would hold it up. I would line up the edge with the 0. So the edge lines up with the 0. And then I look all the way down at where it ends. And it's 14 centimeters long. My whiteboard marker is 14 centimeters long. Now you can measure a whole bunch of different things. So what I want you to do is I want you to take your ruler. I want you to hold up your hand. I want you to measure from your wrist, so the bottom of your hand, your palm, to the tip of your longest finger. So I'm going to take my 0 end. I'm going to hold it at the base of my hand. And I'm going to stretch my hand up and I'm going to measure. Mine is 16 and a half centimeters long. It's a half because it falls right in between 16 and 17. All right? I'll give you a minute to figure that out. So hold it up against your hand, line it up, tell me, or whoever's around you, how long your hand is. Excellent. Your job now is to grab your math booklets and to do the page all about centimeters. So one of our cubes that we always have in class is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So they're perfect little cubes that are 1 centimeter long. So they use them in this picture for us to be able to count how long things are, to measure how long things are. So it's got an example here. So each one of these cubes is 1 centimeter long. So how long is our grasshopper? We start at one end and we count the cubes. 1, 2, 3. It's 3 centimeters long. Now we go over to the crayon and we do the same thing, and you're going to fill in the entire page and tell me how long in centimeters each one of these things is. On the back of that page is your next job. Write we write cm for centimeters. I went over that. The cm stands for centimeters. And your job is to fill in how long each one of these centimeters is using the ruler on here. So our post stamp, it's 1, 2 centimeters. The paw print, you count them. How tall, it can be used for length and for height. How tall our car is, how tall our glue stick is, and how long our pen is. And fill all of those in. All right? That is your task for today. And we'll move on to the next pages after. So that's your task for today, is doing our centimeters, telling me how big these images are. Enjoy!